Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to practically demonstrate how to use this name locator to help Selenium automation tool in finding the required element on the web page. So let's get started. For that, I'll open this browser. Once I open this browser, I would like to take you to a sample application page like this, omayo.blogspot.com. Once you land on this application page, here you can see a text box field. Now, I want Selenium automation tool to type some text into this text box field. Let's say Selenium automation tool need to type my name. For example, Selenium automation tool need to type my name into this text box field. Will that happen directly? The answer is no. Because Selenium automation tool is by default blind. It cannot directly find any element on the web page. So we need to help the Selenium automation tool with the help of a locator to find this text box field. So what type of locator is required for Selenium automation tool to find this text box field? Let's find it out right now. Let's select this text box field, right click here and select inspect option. The moment you select inspect option, here you will get the HTML code that is written by the developer for developing this text box field. This highlighted HTML code is a code written by the developers for developing this text box field element on the web page. So if you carefully or properly observe this HTML code of this text box field, do you see any ID attribute here? This is autocomplete, this is class, this is name, size, title, type value. But ID attribute is not there. So we cannot use ID locator in this case. As covered in the previous session, here ID locator cannot be used for locating this text box field. So what we have to do? The next, let's try for name locator or name attribute. Okay. So here name attribute is there and it has some value. This value which is assigned to the name attribute of this particular element, that is text box field, can be used as a name locator to help Selenium in finding this text box field on this web page. So how to do that? For that, I'll switch to this editor where we have this Selenium automation code already written. So don't try to crack the technicalities of this code. Watch this as a demo, guys. Okay. So what I want to prove here is assume that this Selenium automation code is nothing but the Selenium automation tool. Now Selenium automation tool need to find this text box field so that it can type some text into this text box field. That is my name into the text box field. For that, Selenium automation tool cannot find this text box field directly. Rather, we have to help the Selenium automation tool with the help of any locator. Here in this case, we can use this value of the name attribute as a name locator. Copy this name locator, which is nothing but the value of this name attribute in this HTML code of this text box field. Go here, assume that this Selenium automation tool. So we need to help this Selenium automation tool to find the text box field. For that, we need to paste the name locator here. Now this is a Selenium automation tool. For that, we are passing which locator? This is nothing but the name locator. I copied the name locator, which is nothing but the value of the name attribute of this text box field, to this Selenium automation tool. Now using this name locator, Selenium automation tool will find this text box field on the web page and will be performing the operation, the required operation, that is typing my name into the text box field as part of this example. Here my name will be typed into the text box field. So let's run this code to see whether really this name locator is helping Selenium automation tool in finding the text box field on the web page and then performing this operation after finding. Let's find it out. Let's run this code. In a while, the browser is going to launch. Let's wait for that. So when I run this script, so don't worry about the technicalities of this code, which I'll be covering anyhow in the upcoming sessions. Here, your focus should be on understanding how this name locator is helping Selenium in finding the text box field to do the operations. So the page is loading. Once the page loads, you can see here properly that Selenium automation tool was able to type my name into the text box field. And this is all possible because of this name locator that we have passed to this Selenium automation tool. With the help of this name locator, Selenium was able to find the text box field to perform this typing operation of some text into the text box field. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.